Yes, so do we start with the next question? The question is there on the screen. I hope everyone can see it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we will first read the questions. Listen carefully. From the following information, prepare a bank reconciliation statement as at 31st December 2018 for Messrs. New Steel Limited. So remember our date is given as 31st December 2018. So we have to consider the transactions which have been recorded before 31st December, on or before. See the first one, bank overdraft as per cash book is given as 22,45,900. So he has given us the bank OD as per cash book. So that means which column has he given? The first column or the second column? Where do I write this amount? Do I write in the first column or the second column?
Second.
Second, because it is the overdraft balance as per cash book. So I will write it as OD as per cash book balance. This is given as 22,45,900. So be careful with the amounts. The amounts are huge here. Right. So this is the first thing which is given to me. So remember, the right side column transaction is given. So I will do all my calculations according to the left side. Right? Because whichever side is given, I do calculations according to the opposite side. So come to the second one now. First one I've already written. So see the second one. It says interest debited by bank on 26th December, but no advice received. What does this transaction mean? Interest debited by bank, but no advice received. So which book is recorded this entry? Tell me quickly. Interest debited by bank, but no advice received.
Passbook, ma'am.
Yes, so that means passbook has recorded this entry, but we did not receive any information, so we did not record it in the cash book. So by recording this entry, is the passbook balance more or less? Tell me whether it's more or less.
Payment.
Why will it be less? Because it is a payment. He said debited. Debit in passbook is your payments. So my cash book will be more, and I'll note down the amount 2,78,700. Right? So we'll move forward to the next transaction, the third one. Let's see the third transaction. The third one says checks issued before 31st December but not presented to bank. So checks were issued but they were not presented. So checks issued, which book will record it first?
Cash book.
Cash book. And will the cash book balance be more or less with the checks issued?
Less, ma'am.
It would be less because it is a payment. So the amount also I will note it down, 6,60,000, and automatically my passbook balance will be more because passbook has not recorded this entry. Right, we move forward to the next one. Transport subsidy received from the state government directly by the bank but not advised to the company. So this says we have received some transport subsidy from the state government, and this amount was received directly by the bank, but no advice was given to the company. So which book has recorded this entry?
Passbook.
Passbook, because it was received directly by the bank and we did not get any information, so we didn't record it in the cash book. So with this entry, will the passbook balance be more or less?
More, ma'am.
It is more because it is a receipt. You are receiving some subsidy from the government. So automatically my cash book balance will be less, and I will note down the amount 14,25,000. Right, we'll move forward to the next one, the fifth bit. Okay, so my fifth bit is draft deposited in bank but not credited till 31st December. What do you mean by a draft?
Overdraft.
No, it is not an overdraft. It is like a DD. You know a demand draft? We pay DDs like checks, isn't it? Sometimes payments have to be made through DD. So DD is nothing but your demand draft. So he says a draft has been deposited in the bank, but it has not been credited. So which book has recorded this entry? Think and tell me which book has recorded this entry.
Cash book.
Cash book has recorded, because only when it is credited, then the banker will record. He says draft has been deposited. So I have sent the draft to the bank and I recorded in my cash book. But the bank did not credit it, so it is not recorded in the passbook. So cash book balance will be more or less? It would be more, right? Yes, because it is a deposit. And I'll note down the amount also, 13,50,000. And automatically my passbook balance will be less. Now I move forward to the sixth transaction. Okay, so let's see the sixth one. The sixth one says bills for collection credited by bank till 31st December 2018, but no advice received by the company. So bills for collection were credited by the banker, but we did not receive any advice from the bank, right? So which book has recorded this entry? Tell me which book has recorded this entry?
Bank. Passbook.
Bank passbook has recorded. And is it a receipt for the payment for the passbook?
Payment. No, ma'am. Receipt.
How can you say it is a receipt?
Credited.
Yes, because he says bills for collection credited by the bank, and credit in passbook is a receipt. So that means it is a receipt. So the passbook balance will be more and my cash book balance automatically will be less. I will also note down the amount, 8,36,000. Okay. So let's move forward to the next transaction, the last one. See the last transaction. Seventh one says amount wrongly debited to the company's account by the bank for which no details are available. So he says wrongly debited to the company's account by the bank. So banker has wrongly debited our account. So if banker is debiting, it means it is recorded in the passbook. So passbook balance will increase or decrease? This wrong
Decrease,
debit.
ma'am.
Why will it increase? Because it is a debit, and debit in passbook is? It will increase or decrease?
Decrease, ma'am.
Decrease, correct.
That's
So
what
yeah, you are correct. So decrease because it is the
debited.
debit, right? So normally automatically my cash book will be more and the amount is 7,40,000. So we are done with the working notes. Now we need to do our BRS statement, right? So let us put the amount. So doing the BRS statement is very easy, right? You only have to see. Now which column do I consider? First or second?
First.
First column. So I have to add the second transaction, I have to add the fifth one, and I have to add the seventh one. I have to deduct third, fourth, and the sixth transaction. So 3 transactions to be added and 3 to be deducted. Now tell me one thing. I am starting here with overdraft as per cash book. So what will be my final answer? Which balance will I get? I am starting with cash book, so it is understood that I will get passbook balance. But passbook balance can be normal as well as overdraft. So which balance will I get? Tell me which balance will be my answer.
Normal.
How can you say it will be normal?
Because it is overdraft, then automatically it will be normal.
No, you cannot say like
Overdraft,
that.
ma'am.
No, it will not be overdraft also. Frankly speaking, I cannot say which balance it will be. Only when I do the problem, I will know. See, I'm starting with OD. So if I get a positive answer, it will be overdraft. But if I get a negative answer, it will be normal balance. Please understand that point. Right? Whenever you are starting with an overdraft balance, see any balance you start with. If you get a positive answer, you will arrive at the same balance. If you get a negative answer, you will get the opposite balance. So currently I'm starting with overdraft. So positive answer will give me overdraft. Negative answer will give me a normal balance. Right? So let me start. I will put the transaction there. It is overdraft balance as per cash book. Okay, so I will write it here and start writing in your notebooks quickly. Overdraft balance as per cash book. Yeah. Overdraft balance as per cash book. I'll put the amount in the outer column. The amount is 22,45,900. Be careful with the amounts. They are huge numbers. And now I need to add and deduct. So I have to look at my first column. I have to add the second bit, fifth bit, and the seventh bit. So I'll have to do it one by one. I will add it. Till then, start writing in the notebooks. I'm adding the second bit. Okay, so this is my second bit which I have added, and I'll put the amount in the inner amount column, 2,78,700. Next, I need to add the fifth bit. So the fifth transaction I need to add. This is my fifth transaction. I'm adding this as well. Okay, and the amount in the amount column, 13,50,000. There is one more transaction which is to be added. That is the seventh one, the last one. So I will add that transaction also. Okay, done. Right. So I have taken all the transactions which are to be added. Now I need to put the total in the outer amount column. So quickly tell me the total of these. One of them add them. Till then I'll do the items to be deducted so that I complete the problem before the session ends. So calculate the total and tell me for the outer column. I'll put the less items till then. 3, 4, and 6 are to be deducted. So I will take the third and fourth item together. Okay. So here it says 6,60,000. And then here it says 14,25,000. I still have one more item to be deducted. Quickly tell me the total of this inner column till then. The sixth transaction also is to be deducted. Okay. So this is 8,36,000. Right, now tell me the totals quickly. Yes, did anyone calculate? I want the total of this column.
23,68,700.
23,68,700. And this final total now? So 22,45,900 plus 23,68,700. I'm getting 46,14,600. Please check if the calculation is correct, one of them. Hepzibah, are you checking? Is it correct? Please see if the calculation is correct. Now let me calculate the total for this less columns. 6,60,000 plus 14,25,000 plus 8,36,000. So it's giving me 29,21,000. Now I have to finally deduct from this. So tell me, am I going to get a positive answer or a negative answer? Tell me quickly, is my answer a positive or a negative answer? Yes, is it a positive answer or is it a negative answer?
Positive, ma'am.
Positive. So what is my final balance called as?
Overdraft.
Yes, it will be called as overdraft balance as per passbook, because I'm starting with cash book. So finally I get the answer for passbook. So I'm done with the problem and this is the solution. I will reduce the size so that you can see it on one page. Yes. So we are done with the solution.